now I have the loop secured, not all in, and basically I'm just going to wrap it around in a spiral pattern, just like the video is teaching us to do so. And from there we're going to wrap it all the way towards the end, and then we'll try with the front bar first. If the wind noise is there, then I'll try with the rear bar. But for now, let's go ahead and start the loop. Alright, so here is the finished product. This is where I tied the knot to secure the beginning. And overall, I'm just going to do a quick walk around. Is it better looking than a fairing? It's subjective, right? Looks is subjective, but it's definitely cheaper. And then also, we definitely gotta take it out on a test drive just to test it out to see if the science behind this works. And if it works, it's a really cheap mod. And kudos to the video and the person who taught us all this. But it's pretty secure. I did like maybe about 1.5 inches spacing. And overall, like I said, this is the nylon that I used. 50 feet. Still this much left. So that's a lot. Usually they have like 150. 50 is more than enough. And taking a look further back, we're gonna try it with the first bar first, and then if there's more wind noise, I guess I'll wrap the second bar or the rear bar. But I'm really interested to see what works, so let's go ahead and go for a test drive. Alright, so right now I'm going about 55-ish. And I'm really not quite sure if the GoPro is picking it up, but the wind noise is existing. Or it's getting pretty bad. I'm going about 60 right now. It's getting worse. And I'm gonna probably increase my speed right now. Yep. And then at 67, the howling gets more worse. 72-ish. It is pretty bad. You can hear the whistling kind of, but most of it is more like just really bad drag. So 60, 65.
I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.